Lights, camera. We see an action? Action! Okay. I'm Jim Hamill. This is the Sugi burning machine. It's the base of the machine. I've gotten several comments and questions about what's important about it, what's not important about it. We've put this together. This was our test bed. It's been upgraded and modified, improved, and now we're going through with finishing up on it. This particular weldment, this is the base part of the machine, incorporates 3 blowers. We put the blowers in a case. We put those in that case so that we can put filters on the inlet and the exhaust so that we get relatively clean air. We have 3 blowers. One blower is for cooling air, one blower is for air curtains, and one blower is for combustion air. There will be burners in each one of these sections. There's 4 burners, to the point of fact. Those 4 burners are right on the side there. You can see them. They will be installed next. So, the center blower, you can see, comes out of the box here and into this frame member. This is a hollow tube frame member. It's got a hole so it communicates with this frame member. So 2 of the blowers, one is for air knife and the other one for cooling air, blow air through these 2 tubes independently. The air that's in this tube primarily comes out of what's called an air knife. This is just air that's blown through this tube, up through the pipe, and there's a slot under here, and that blows a curtain of air down there so that any flame that's in here, where the burner is, does not go out towards where the operators are. So there's one at the inlet end, and there's one at the outlet end. Additionally, the one at the outlet end has got a little nozzle on it. We're burning wood after all, and we have had many pieces of wood come out in flame, and so we've incorporated a spray off if you're burning lumber hard enough that it requires that. So this side gets air for the air knives. This side gets air for cooling. And if you look at every one of these stations, there's 4 or 5 stations here. They have a shroud around the outside. There will be a roller and a bearing goes in here. Flame on both sides. The roller is powered, so it rotates and drags the board through. And as it goes through, air from that blower comes up through these little cut lines in the tube here and blows around the roller and keeps it cool. In addition, we have small holes at each end of this frame member, and that provides a little bit of cooling air for the bearings. Obviously, it's a burn machine. It gets extremely hot, and we don't want to burn up our bearings. So we've actually increased the distance that the bearing is away from the heat zone, and we've added additional cooling lines there. So as the weldment sits right now, we have a gearbox here, which is welded in place, it's bolted on, and we have idler sprockets. Our next steps will be to put in the fire brick for the burn zones and put on the rollers and get the chain and the motor operational. And I think that's it for right now.